And we'll be live on the Facebook page of Basketballista Mike. It's BBC versus Rim Central Open League category.
Apat pala kayo? Apat?
Sir, ready tayo sir. Kanina pa kayo dyan.
Star player kayo ah. Sir, 8 laro natin, sir. Pag pininte, 8. Loy, 8 laro natin, hindi gawan. Kanina pa kayo dyan. Kahit tayong pakuan dyan. Kanina pa kalaban nyo. Mga extra player kayo, ah. Sina, 8 tayo. Kanina pa kayo dumating, tapos ngayon lang kayo nakuhan.
Ball game. First 5 on Central.
Dalawang laro ito.
And our two referee for tonight, referee Pinel and referee Mike Reyes.
Ano yung parating kasama ni James?
Ball game.
Boss.
First position of BBC. Short by Navarro. Nice pass. Steal on Laureto. Now Laureto to Louis. Drive. Rebound on Louis. Pull back by Louis. Now 2-0. Now St. Joseph first basket. Bang, bang, bang. On Joseph. 3-2. 1 point lead on Central. Nice play. Corner pocket side. Too strong. Rebound on. Pull up by Navarro. 4-3. Now 1 point lead on BBC. Nine minutes remaining time. Pass, Pangilingan,
Rep.
Pangilingan, it's rubbing violation as referee race. 3-4 score. BBC up by 1. Now the number Louis, too strong, turnover again by BBC. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. This is our first game, first match for our Open League category. Nice drive. Block by Laureto. First block by Laureto in the game. 3-4. Now steal. Short. Rebound on. Now BBC. Laberloy. Laberloy goes to goals on Laberloy. 6-3. Nice drive. Nice defense. No, it's Sheva. Short top. Nice pass to Pangalingan. Pangalingan now. Bang! No one can stop me, Pangalingan. 5-6. 1 point lead BBC. Still by it's three ball, Central ball. 1 point lead now BBC. It's 5-6. Now St. Joseph. Looking for nice pass. It's Pangilinan. Fake. Pangilinan. Back to back shot by Pangilinan. 7-6. Central now up by 1. Now Laberluy. Portugal, Navarro. Corner pocket, too strong. Rebound on Sheva. It's blind pass coming from Sheva.
Manalo.
It's 7 minutes our time. 3 minutes to shoot. 7 against 6. Laberluy. Laberluy looking for Laureto. Laureto take. Laureto again. Elbow to pass to Manalo. Manalo. 40 to shoot. Manalo drive, guarded by Sheva. It's Manalo to Laberluy. Laberluy, nice space shot. Short. Rebound again on Laureto. Laureto stop up. Side corner. Pass it in the steal. Time to shoot. Navarro. Yes on Navarro. Now 8 against 7. 1 point lead on BBC.
Kapitli.
Pitli, still by Laberluy. Kapitli again, looking for Sheva. Nice ball, Pangel Leon. Right place at the right time by Pangilinan. Laberluy. Stop up, Manalo.
Time out kami time out
Bang, bang, bang! Manalo time out! On Central now, 11-10, 11-9, so at 2 point lead on BBC. Ball game for BBC. 6 minutes remaining time. And we'd like to thank again our sponsors, Color Sports, Skatulista, Chewy, The Inkers, and Bang Inasal, Abu Dhabi. 6 minutes remaining time, 11-9. Now Central down by 2. And of course, our viewers who are watching live on Facebook page, thank you for watching our live. On our Open League category, our first game, first match is Central versus BBC. Nice move, nice and blocked by Laureto. Now Laureto is still by Sheva. Yes, now Sheva, it's 11 all. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Now Manalo. Looking for straight corner, it's Laberluy. Where are you, Laberluy? It's running time, traveling violation as Laberluy. First violation of Laberluy. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Tie ball game, 11 all. It's Pangilinan now. Pangilinan, nice move. Still again by Laureto. Laureto looking for Laberluy. It's 4-3. Laberluy, Laureto. Laureto moving, Laureto time. Power bang. Basket count. And 1 against Laureto. Foul number 12 on Sheva. First personal foul on Sheva first against Rem Central. It's 5 minutes. A shot coming from Laureto. Basket count and 1 against Laureto. The Daredevil Laureto. Now we will call Laureto as the Daredevil. Now it is steal. Looking for St. Joseph. 1-1. St. Joseph drive. Looking for Pangilinan. Pangilinan again. It's foul on number 31 on Gopak. It's first on BBC. First personal foul on Gopak. 13-11.
Back. Go back.
It's a 2 point lead now on BBC. 4 minutes and 58 seconds. This is just our first quarter. Now 12-13. 1 point lead now BBC. Laberluy. Now, listen to the play. Looking for Navarro. Navarro is foul. Foul on number 12 on Sheva. First personal, second personal foul on Sheva. Second on Central. Now Laberluy again. Setting for the Daredevil now. Laureto. The Daredevil now. Looking for 1-1. Daredevil now. Run! Laureto. 12-15. Back-to-back shot coming from the Daredevil Laureto. It's St. Joseph short, too strong. Foul! It's foul on number 5 on Pangilinan. It's first against Pangilinan. 30 foul on Central. Four minutes. Now Laberluy. Looking for Gubak. Nice pass kick out. Navarro. Navarro now. Looking for Manalo. No hesitation shot ng Manalo. 18 against 12. Now, Manalo has 2-3 point shot now. It's Pangilinan. Pangilinan drive. Still out Pangilinan. Foul. Oh, it's back-to-back shot from Pangilinan. Warning for penalty on Central. Second personal foul on Pangilinan. Now 19-12. Running violation. Nice defense on Central. It's 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Oh, it's a set. 6-0 run coming from BBC. Now, Green Central will set a play. Pangilinan. Pangilinan, where are you, the Devil? Where are you, Pangilinan? Short. Rebound by Manalo. Manalo to nice pass. Guwag. Nice defense again on Central. It's Navarro Hamtan. Short. Top. It's yellow ball. Yellow ball. 2 minutes and 52 seconds. What a ball game. Now Central running, gunning. St. Joseph Polo jumper. Short. Sheba there. Sheba. 14 against 16, 19. 3-point lead on TBC. Manalo. Nice defense on number 6 on Central. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Only 5-point lead now on BBC. Inbounding Manalo. Alaberluy. Gumag. Nice tag. Navarro. Navarro now. 10 seconds to shoot. Manalo take. Manalo drive. Manalo. Manalo again. Manalo is 21-14. 7-point lead now on BBC. Now Central, 2 minutes. Short. Rebound by Sheba. Oh, right place at the right time. By Sheba, it's 21-16. Back to 5-point lead on BBC. Laberluy. It's foul. Foul on number 6. It's penalty. That penalty. Now Central over the limit. Penalty. 1 minute and 43 seconds to Pedro shot from Laberluy. One of one coming from Laberluy is 22-16. BBC up by 6. Now 2 of 2 coming from Laberluy. It's 23-16. Central down by 7. Oh, short! Navarro! Manipes, Navarro, nice pass to Guapo. Bang! 25-16. All right, nice move. Whoa! Nalalaya po ba now? It's 18-25, 7-point lead on BBC. 1 minute and 10. Laberluy, drive. Laberluy goes to close, short rebound again on Manalo. It's Navarro. Still. Stepping on the line, Central. It's 1 minute and 3 seconds, 25 against 218, all by BBC. Nice pass, still Manalo short. It's Pangilinan. Sheba. Now it's 3-2. Sheba is still on Laberluy. All alone, all the way on the Daniel pass to Manalo. 50 seconds. 27 against 18. 9-point lead now, BBC. Sheba. 40 seconds. Pangilinan na. It's the man on the steal on Pangilinan. It's 20-27. 30 seconds. Luy. Drive, stop up, looking for go back. Short. That third level again. It's foul. Foul on number 21. On Noor. First to Noor, now Central on penalty. 2 free throw shot coming from the Daredevil Laureto. 24 seconds, 24. 1-1 coming from Laureto. It's 2 out to 2 coming from the Daredevil Laureto. 29-20. Sheva is foul. Foul on Navarro. It's second team foul on BBC. First against Navarro. 13 seconds. Balinor. Kapitwe. 10 seconds. He's still by Navarro. Navarro 3 on 2. Looking for Navarro. 31-20. And our first quarter score 31 against 20, all by BBC. Second quarter ready, second quarter.
Sir, saglit lang ba? Magbabayad lang. Bago tayo magsimula. Kasi akong target. Mabait mo kasi kami magbayad.
It's central ball, central.
May dagdag tayo.
Third quarter. Third.
Third quarter and dagdag.
Okay na po, te.
Okay na po.
Third quarter, second quarter. It's green ball, central ball.
Takbo number 61.
Tingnan mo sila.
Nadalat na mamaya, boss.
And you are watching live on the Facebook page of Basketballista Mike. John. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Nothing but net from John. 31-23. 7-point lead now, BBC. John. Kind of Abdallah. Back to John. Now she takes it down. It's again short rebound on. It's still again on the Daredevil. Loreto. It's 33-23. 10-point lead now, BBC. Tubong Banwa. Now it's the teammate Tubong Banwa against the Sergeant Penetrante. Kick and pass, Abdallah. Looking for outside. Now it's 0-2. Run by. Kick and pass again by John. John. Short. Rebound on BBC. Daredevil again. The Daredevil looking for Jal. Jal. No hesitation shot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang. Oh, GAG Jal. 26-23. Now 13-point lead by BBC. Sergeant Penetrante. Looking for. He's still again by the Daredevil. It's double dribble on the Daredevil. It's the violation on the Daredevil. Tauro. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. One play coming from BBC. 13 against the 23. It's a 6-0 run coming from BBC. Nice pass. Kick a pass. Still again on BBC. Complete steal all the way. Too strong and high. BBC. Now John. Stop up. John drive. John is blocked by the Daredevil. Again, Loreto. Space ball pass. It's central ball, central. And a play coming again from central. It's 36-23. Now to Tubong Banwa. Tubong Banwa. Nice pass outside. Go! And a pass coming from Tubong Banwa to John. 36-25. Now BBC up by 11. Central down by 11. Nice move. Stop up. Looking for the Daredevil. Stop up. The Daredevil drive. It's
Binaya.
short.
Binaya. Adjust the konting.
It's central ball. Central. Now Penetrante. Whoa! Smooth shot coming from JP. 36-27. That's foul. Foul on number 9-0 John. It's first on John. First team foul on Central. It's 36-27. 9-point lead on BBC. Now Lola. John. Again, same spot. Favorite shot. Short top. Oh, what a pass, what a save. Coming from the Daredevil. Now it's strike. Nice pass, the Daredevil again. Guerrero, black foul. Foul on JP. It's first on JP. Second team foul on Central. It's 6 minutes and 38 seconds. 36 against 27. On a shot coming from the Daredevil, our Reto is 37-27, 10-point lead on Central in BBC. It's a 2 out of 2 coming from the Daredevil, Loreto. 38-27. To Bumbanwa. Looking for John. Steal again. Oh no, it's foul.
Easy, Loreto, easy.
Foul on number 30 on JP. Second on JP. Third against Central. Five minutes and 28 seconds. Now Loyola looking for the Daredevil to ban. Now 40 against the 27. Now Penitante again, nice defense on Rason. 14 the set clock, 14. Inbounding John. It's to Bumbanwa. Let me try short top. Now it's BBC running, gunning, 3-2. BBC Rason, it's a Daredevil, side step, looking for Rason now, side step, right, Rason, short top, it's Militante. BBC now, stop up, short. Now it's BBC ball, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Short. Again, try. Second time around. Short again. Rason. Short. Rebound by Jeppy. Now all alone. It's John. All the way. Hey, it's short. John again. It's 2-2. It's BBC. Looking for. Still by Penitante. Struggling violation on Penitante. 4 minutes. Now it's a 8-0 run coming from BBC. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. John, favorite shot, same spot.
Sebenir.
Steal again on Penitante. Penitante now, John, second time around. It's John, 29-40. 11-point lead now, BBC, 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Rason. Bang! Elbow jumper coming from Rason. Now John is still the god of the Daredevil. The Daredevil now looking for Malora. Oh, short top. It's Rason. 44-29. Now it's a 23-point lead on 15-point lead on BBC. 3 minutes. Penitante. Looking for John.
Sub siya ba?
Short. Rason, short top. It's a Daredevil on Rason. JB. One move by JB. 31-46 now. 15-point lead on BBC. 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Just here, what I'm here. Not the referee, okay? You here. The table.
2 minutes and 30. 10 seconds to shoot. John. Hey. 5 to shoot. 3-second violation. Time out. On Central, it's 2 minutes and 23 seconds. 46 against 31. 15-point lead on BBC.
Basta dyan.
Tinatanong ko nga. Tignan mo nagsasabi sa referee.
Ano ba sab?
Tinatanong ko nga.
Hindi nga sab.
Kung ano.
Ito pa yan. Hindi ko maglinda para masali ka sa circle.
Hindi ako sumasali, tinatanong ko lang.
Ba't ka nagtatanong? Hindi ko alam pa yung
Eh, dyan, nandyan siya. Eh, tingin-tingin siya. Wala mang, I just care. Hindi ako yung
tagal mo sa table, hindi ka marunong. Ka natuto.
Nagtatanong lang, di na matulog.
Bawal nga.
Sana sinabi mo na bawal.
Second quarter mo.
May salary yan.
Sabi sa second quarter. Tagal, tanda-tanda mo.
Pati sab, bawal ba?
Hindi marunong. Iwan ko si Melinda. Tiis lang ako sa harap ng iba.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On to Bumbanwa, around 34-46. 2 minutes. minutes.
Hold him, Jan. Go forward.
2 minutes. Jag. In and out.
Inside.
Pilitante. Short. Dodger double again. Looking for start new rebound ng Pilitante. Now Pilitante drive. Coast to coast. Looking for Tubumbanwa. It's struggling violation of Tubumbanwa. 1 minute and 35 seconds. 46 against 34. BBC up by 12. Now Jag. Ten seconds to shoot. In and out. Jump. Again, the double. Foul on a break to Manwa. It's the warning for Pantheon Central. Now the double again. 32. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. What a play! Now baseball pass again by JP. It's on the load. It's John. 36 to 46. 40 seconds. Slowly, surely now by Central. 10 points in the BBC. 46 to 36. 35 seconds. Bang! Jog. GAG by Jog. Same ball. 25 seconds. Bowling John. Now to Bumbanwa. In and out. Now rebound BBC. John to the Daredevil again. Too strong. Rebound to Bumbanwa. 15. No! What a play! Coming from JP. 5 seconds. And now for the second quarter, 38 to 48. Our score, BBC by 10.
Nag-plus tayo. Last 10 yan.
Plus 5 ah? Bawas tayo. Wala mo na sa. Mamaya na. Ako dali lang sa usap. Ibigay ako tatagdag kasi 5 pang jersey sa akin. Ilan kayo?
Siyam lang, sir.
Sino pa sa pool? Ilan kayo? Honest tayo. Siyam, oh. Plus 5 sila ha. Kasi kulang tayo.
Third quarter. Now our score, 48 against to 43. 5 point lead now on BBC.
Yung dalawang message ko lang pakit na. Saka yung safety. Message mo. Message mo.
Now inbounding Laverluy. Looking for Jog. Now Laverluy now. Looking for Manalo. It's Navarro. Looking for Luy. 14 to shoot. Jog. Hesitation shot. Bang! Easy money. Money, Jog. 43 to 50. Now it's St. Joseph. Pangilinan to the kick-out pass. No. Bang! Bang! Oh no! 50 to 46. BBC up by 4. Laverluy. Nice pass, kick-out pass to Manalo. It's Jog. Drive. Jog for the shot. Rebound on Rason. Bang! Elbow jumper coming from Rason. 52 to 46. 9 minutes. St. Joseph. Back to North, back to back shot. In and out. Rebound on the muscle na nag-end. Bang! Number 21 on Rason. 2 free throw shot coming from the Major Pay Pangilinan. First team foul on BBC. First against Rason. It's 8 minutes and 53 seconds. Third quarter. First game. For our open league category, it's Central versus BBC. The Major Pay now Pangilinan. It's 2-2 coming from the Major Pay Pangilinan. 8 minutes and 50. Lover Louis. Now it's Rason. Rason now. Rason, run, Rason. What a great move coming from Rason. It's halo Rason. Now Sheva. Now it's still a bit late. It's same ball as referee Mike Reyes. Sa 8 minutes now, 8 minutes. Now St. Joseph, looking for the big day. Sheva, the Major Pay again! 50 to 54. Now it's now draw black. What a game black coming from Sheva. It's 7 minutes and 50 seconds. 54 to 50. All again by BBC. It's a 6-2 run coming from BBC. Ball in the bottom. Still again by North. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Thank you for watching live on the Facebook page. And thank you for watching our bang! It's Navarro. 56 to 50. 6 point lead now, BBC. St. Joseph. Looking for Nor. In and out. Rebound by Jag. Now Jag looking for Manalit's foul. Foul on number 21 on Nor. It's first on Central.
Nor second.
Second personal foul on Nor. Jag. Lover Louis. Navarro. Side pocket. Bang! Side pocket corner by Navarro. 56 to 50. Sheva. Looking for the Major Pay again. Major Pay short. Rebound on Jag. Now it's turnover on BBC. It's 59 to 56. 9-point lead on BBC. Now St. Joseph. Short. Rebound on Sheva.
Wala pa, 6 minutes pa, 6 minutes.
Foul on BBC. Second team foul on BBC.
6 minutes, 6 minutes.
Wala tayo sir. Wala. 10 minutes pa tayo sir.
5 minutes pala. 5 minutes.
Sheva.
Nice shot!
Whoa! Now 50-59. 6-point lead on BBC. Lover Louis. Manalo. What a pass coming from Manalo to Rason. 61 to 53. Back to 8-point lead on BBC. 5 minutes and 50. King Joseph looking for the middle pay. It's yellow ball. Yellow. One defense coming from BBC. 8-point lead on BBC. 6-1 against 253. Lover Louis. Looking for Manalo. Back to Lover Louis. Jag. Back to Manalo. By Lover Louis. It's Manalo to Buds. Manalo again. Time to shoot. Rason. It's Navarro. What a play coming from BBC. 63 to 53. And the Major Pay again. Guarded now defense. It's last shot.
Sir, pwede tayo mag-stop, sir.
Substitution there. Substitution. Pangilinan Reuben out. Sheva out. Now it's si Joseph, stop up. Si Daiso is still on Navarro. Now we will go on the front Navarro looking for the goal, the Daredevil, Loreto. Anor, looking for JP. What move from JP, goes to goal, 55 to 65. 10-point lead now on BBC. Third quarter, 4 minutes and 40 seconds. It's Rason, halo Rason. It's tackling violation on the halo Rason. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. It's stepping on the line on North. Turnover again on Central. Back-to-back turnover on Central.
Nice one.
Short, top, is JP. Still now. It's Laberloy. Laberloy looking for Navarro. Short top. Now it's Manalo. Manalo, no hesitation shot to strong. Ribal again. Halo Rason. It's Laberloy. Laberloy, 10 seconds to shoot. Daredevil, Loreto, bang! The Daredevil, Loreto is 67-55. 12-point lead on BBC. Kapitli. Now it's in and out by St. Joseph. Rebound again on the Daredevil again. 2-on-1, 3-on-2. Laberloy, drive. Laberloy to the Daredevil. Bang! Kapitli Sudet. Foul on number 22 on St. Joseph. It's second team foul on Central. First against St. Joseph. Time out! On BBC.
There's no one in the defense. Come on, defense. Make the defense. No offense is fine. Make the defense. Make the defense. Sabay mo. Push-out. The prime.
68 to 55. 3 minutes and 33 seconds. It's a 1-of-1 coming from the Daredevil Loreto. It's a 2-out-2 coming from the Daredevil Loreto. Now completely. Short! Jimmy! Short again, rebound. Oh, here comes the Batman. Now looking for Laberloy. Laberloy now, Laberloy drive, Laberloy, nice pass outside on the Batman short. Now the prime massive Navarro short. Completely. Now it's all alone. St. Joseph. Time out. On BBC, it's 2 minutes and 58 seconds, 68 against 2:57.
Wala warm-up isa. Wala warm-up.
Palitan muna natin, sir. Palitan natin muna. Laberloy. Twice ball by the Daredevil. Now drive is Kapitli. All along Kapitli. Left by the Daredevil shot. It's fullback by St. Joseph. 69 to 59. 10-point lead now BBC. Laberloy. Guarded by 2. Laberloy now looking again to Rason. It's still on JP. No, John. Goes to Coach is foul. Foul on Manalo, number 24, 13 foul on BBC.
ito na may tol, hindi na sabihin sa akin.
Wala. Huwag kami hawak. Boss,
17 pa.
Ito ka na kung gano'n na.
Baka mamay mali na naman sabihin ko.
Nanalo siya mga tingin na walang foul. Walang foul?
Now the Daredevil, 1 minute. Manalo. Turnover again on BBC, 69-59 on third quarter. Now inbounding quickly to John. John. Looking for quickly. Back to John. John for 3. Air ball. Abdallah. Oh! Alam mo ba yung Abdallah? 69-61. 8-point lead on BBC. Now the Daredevil now. Looking for Labrluy. The prime. Manalo. 10 seconds to shoot. Nice pass to Rason. It's foul. Foul on number 11, Abdallah. It's 13 foul on Red Central. First. Against Abdallah. 24 seconds. 69-61. 1-on-1 coming from Rason. The Halo special Rason. 24 seconds. 1-out-of-2 coming from Rason. 20. Now Navarro. Drive. Nice pass. Looking for Manalo. John. Rason. 5 seconds.
Shoot!
Basket count coming from Manalo, 74 against 261, all by BBC. Fourth quarter ready tayo, rep. Fourth quarter. And we'd like to thank again our sponsors. It's Scorer Sports, Basketballista, Chewy, BBC, Central, and Mang Inasal, Abu Dhabi. Central ball, Central. Last quarter. Now St. Joseph. Dribbling violation on Central. Now it's the trigger man, Aliora. The trigger man again, bang out short. Rebound on to Bumbanwa. 1-and-1, left-handed Brad. Goes, short, top. It's 2-2. Now it's Daredevil, guarded by Tumumbanwa. The Daredevil now, looking for the two. It's Jal. Favorite shot. Rep. Oh, JB! King Joseph. In and out by St. Joseph. Laura. Gabak. Short. Top by Gabak. It's been advantage foul. Foul on number 25 on the Daredevil. Loreto, it's first team foul on BBC. First personal foul against the Daredevil. Loreto, 8 minutes and 38 seconds. 74-61. It's a 13-point lead on BBC. And our next game for our 40 above category. It's Motivation versus Caliber 50. Now, nice pass. And second pass. It's 4-on-5-on-2. Daredevil, block, short, rebound on jump. Triggerman. Bang! Mali. Major Pay. Guarded by two. It's a major pen shot. Major pen again. Pangilin is foul. Sa tito sunod. Second personal foul on Jag. Second team foul on BBC. 7 minutes and 56 seconds. 61 against the 56. BBC up by 15. It's 1-0 to 1 coming from the Major Payne Pangilinan. 0-2 from the Major Payne Pangilinan. Now Jag running. Jag to guy. Nice pass downside. He's the trigger man. Alioso. 78 to 61. Now 17 point lead ng BBC. Spot right short. Rebound again Laberloy. Laberloy to the trigger man against 2-1. Unselfish pass. 2-1 again. One move. Bang. 80 against 61. Time out. On Central. It's 80 against 61. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. And again, we'd like to thank our sponsors. Color Sports, Basketballista, Brutish, BBC Central. All game.
Yes, sir.
And our next game, next match for our 40 above category. John, stop up, pull a jumper. Bang! Mane! 63 to 80. 17-point lead on BBC. Laberloy. 7 minutes. 10 seconds to shoot. Red. Ato mong banwa. Short top. It's 2-1. Nice move by Loro. Hand time. Now 82 to 63.
Depensa, baba na. Depensa, oh.
It's foul. Foul on the Daredevil. Laurento, it's second on the red, third on BBC.
16 seconds na ka.
Ato Bumbano, favorite shot. Again, too strong. It's foul. Foul on number 14. On Jag. Now warning for penalty on BBC. Second personal foul against Jag. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. 82 to 63. You 0-2 coming from the Major Payne Pangilinan.
Pinasok daw natin siya agad.
5 minutes. Steal. It's a Daredevil. Alreto. Steal again.
Control tayo, control.
It's a 19-point lead with 10 seconds to shoot.
Red pusog. Red.
Tira. Shooter pa, oh.
The Daredevil again. Pull out jam on the Daredevil. Alreto. 86 to 63.
Pandilig pa naman.
And Major Payne again. Major Payne. Bang! Basket count and one on the middle. Foul number 14 on Jag. Third against Jag. Now BBC over the limit penalty. Bonus free throw on the Major Payne Pangilinan. It's 86 to 65. Sa 21-point lead on BBC. 4 minutes remaining time. Last quarter, first game. Again, it's now 0-1 coming from the Major Payne. Now it's nice pass all alone. Laberloy. Laberloy now. It's Laberloy. 88 against the 65. Nice Let's move on, Major Pinitrante. 88-67.
Oh, finishing!
Now, Laberluy. What a great move from the Daredevil, Loreto. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, John! 70.
Oh, no, sub mo. Let mix up. You can't mix up. It's a motion play. Motion play. Unless it's the...
2 minutes! Sabratsa. Foul on number 0 on John. It's second team foul on Central. Second personal foul against John. 90 against 70. Our next game. Or our 40 above categories motivation versus caliber 50. 91 against 70. It's 2-2 from the Laberloy, 92-70. He's still again on the trigger man, looking for Laberloy. And selfish pass, Laberloy, let me do it. Bang! The Laberloy, 94-70. Again, in and out on St. Joseph. 1 minute and 30. John. Looking for St. Joseph. Let me try. Fourth time around. In and out. Top. Laberluy. 1 minute.
Technical rin po.
And to shoot.
Rep.
Binigay pa kay Jay, ah.
55 seconds. Basket count and one on Major Payne. Pinatante foul on Daredevil Laurito. It's 72-94 to still BBC 51 seconds. Now 72-94. Last quarter, 51 seconds. Forty. 35 seconds, 35. St. Joseph. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On St. Joseph. 96 to 96, 20 seconds. 15. 5 seconds. And now, we're going to BBC 96 again to 76.